Here are 10 tips to help you achieve a high band score in the IELTS writing section. Understand the task. Make sure you fully understand the requirements of both Task 1, report writing, and Task 2, essay writing. Read the prompts carefully and ensure your response addresses all parts of the question. Plan your answer. Spend a few minutes planning your response before you start writing. Outline your main ideas and how you will structure your essay or report. This helps in organizing your thoughts and ensuring a logical flow. Stay on topic. Ensure that your writing remains focused on the topic. Avoid unnecessary details and tangents that do not support your main points. Use a variety of sentence structures. Demonstrate your range of grammatical structures by using a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. This shows the examiner that you can write fluently and accurately. Expand your vocabulary. Use a wide range of vocabulary, but ensure you use words correctly. Avoid repetition by using synonyms and varied expressions. Learning topic-specific vocabulary can also help. Develop your ideas. Support your main points with explanations, examples, and details. This makes your writing more persuasive and informative. Avoid making general statements without backing them up. Practice cohesion and coherence. Use linking words and phrases to connect your ideas smoothly. This helps the reader follow your argument easily. Words like however, therefore, moreover, and in addition can be very useful. Watch your word count. Task 1 should be at least 150 words and Task 2 at least 250 words. Avoid writing too much, as it may lead to more mistakes. Conversely, writing too little can result in a lower score for task achievement. Proofread your work. Allocate a few minutes at the end to check your work for errors. Look for mistakes in spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Ensure that you have used a variety of sentence structures and vocabulary correctly. Practice regularly. Regular practice can significantly improve your writing skills. Take practice tests under timed conditions, get feedback from teachers or proficient speakers, and work on the areas where you make the most mistakes. By following these tips and practicing consistently, you'll be better prepared to achieve a high band score in the IELTS